Okay, so good ta. Topic nimo is ratio test. Okay. According to Theorem 9.17, let the summation A sub n be a series with non-zero terms. So, ang imong A sub n is non-zero. Dili dapat siya pwede mag-zero non-zero terms. Okay, number 1. Summation of A sub n converges absolutely if the limit is n approaches to infinity, A sub n plus 1 over A sub n is less than to 1. So, for example, ang hatag number 1 na theorem na satisfy na to ang imong A sub n is converges absolutely. So, kung ma-prove nato na pag i-divide ni mang imo A sub n plus 1, divide to your original of A sub n, dapat ang iya limit is less than to 1. Dili dapat siya mo-exceed sa 1 or mo-equal to 1. If mo less than to 1 kuno siya, converges absolutely na dadyon. Which is, you don't have to use another series just to prove that it is absolutely convergent. Because in a ratio test or in different series test, pwede ka magamit, for example, sa integral test, mag-prove ka, tapos ma-prove nimo that the series is convergent. But, it's a partial pagapon. You need to use another series just to prove that absolutely guys siya no converge. So, for example, nagamit ko ng integral test, mo gamit na sa ko ng ikaduhan alternating, duha imo kinahanglan gamiton para ma-prove jud mo na mo-converge siya absolutely. But, if sa integral no converge, and then sa alternating is no diverge, you can prove it's a conditionally convergent. Unlike sa ratio test, sa inira na test imo gamiton, no need na nan another test. Sapat nan isa para ma-prove nimo na absolutely convergent because it's an absolute value. But in number 1, dapat less than 1 gajud per maintain ija limit before you can state that the summation of E sub n is convergent absolutely. Number 2, summation of E sub n is divergent if the limit is n approaches to infinity, E sub n plus 1 divided over n, E sub n is greater than to 1, or the limit is n approaches to infinity, E sub n plus 1 over E sub n is equal to infinity. Therefore, mo diverge ani mo E sub n if ang limit ng E sub n plus 1 divided by E sub n is greater than to 1 or equal sa infinity. Diverge ka jud siya. Pag hanapon nimo ang limit using the ratio test, pag mo greater than to 1 ang limit or mag-equal to infinity, therefore, ma-state nimo na ang imo series is divergent. Number 3, the ratio test is inconclusive if the limit as n approaches to infinity, E sub n plus 1 over E sub n is equal to 1. So, kung ang limit nimo is mo equal to 1, kung i-divide nimo ang E sub n plus 1 over E sub n, therefore, your series is inconclusive. Dapat dili mo equal to 1 ang imo limit. Kung ang imo gani limit mo equal to 1, therefore, makastate kita na an ato series is inconclusive. What is inconclusive? Dili na to ma-determine ang iya limit. Amo dyan sa theorem na to, te.